So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my inventory tour. So yeah, let's start the video. And also, can you guys see that I'm almost at level 200? So yeah, that's amazing. And let me change my skin tone really quickly. Okay. Okay, so I think we're gonna start out with the categories. Okay, so the first category you guys can see that is wings, and you guys can see that I don't have a lot of wings because I don't use wings. All of these wings I didn't even buy. I got them from like trades because you guys know that wings are a pretty common thing to give as ads, like you know what I mean. So I feel like my favorite ones, I never really wear them, but I feel like still my favorite ones are these. These are called the cotton candy, and I love the way how neon and they look really pretty, and I really like that. Then we have the delicate blue rose. I don't really like these. They're just okay. I don't know why I have them. I haven't really wore them once, but yeah. Then we have the mini hot cocoa. Cocoa. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say that. Okay, these are okay. I don't. They're fine. Okay. Then we have the keeper of the light, and this is also fine. You know. Next we have the skirts. Because the first skirt you guys can see that I'm wearing is the pleated skirt, and it's a really pretty skirt. It's like really nice, and I just love it so much. It's like really simple, and it goes with pretty much everything. So yeah, that's amazing. Then we have this one, the midnight strike pop star, and this one also really nice. I like the way, and also in case you guys don't know, you can move this like flare thingy. I don't know what to call it, and the stars, and that's amazing. Then we have the real life mermaid. So yeah, that's really cool too. And the best thing about this one is that you can actually make it glow. Let me show it to you guys. See, it's glowing, and that's really cool. Perfect for neon outfits. Then we have the mini skirt, and this one is also okay. I don't wear it as much because I don't know. I just don't. And yeah, this one's nice too. I only wear it sometimes. And we have this one, the secret fairy on earth. I don't know why, but I hate this one. It's not because there's, I don't know, it just looks really weird. The pixels and everything, it's just really flat and kind of looks weird. You know what I mean? So I don't like it. I have never wore it even once, and I wasn't the one who got it. I got for trade as ads. Okay. And then we have this one. It's called the Summer Fantasy skirt, and this has like 3 toggles. Let me show it to you guys. Right. Okay. We can transform it to the evening gown. It kind of looks like this net thingy. We have the sarong. I don't know how to say it. It's like the bag type of thing. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's super pretty, and I feel like it really goes with the set and looks super pretty. Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. Then we have this one. Okay, we have the Royal Stroll in the Garden. And I don't know why, guys. This skirt was used to be my dream skirt. I have absolutely no clue why. I still like it, but the problem with the skirt is just too big, and wherever I try to make outfit with this, whatever happens, that whenever I make an outfit, the hair, sometimes the hair or the accessories, the sleeves are always glitching with the skirt. So yeah, I don't like that. Then we have the cottage princess skirt, and if you guys saw my recreating my old outfit video, you guys know how much I love this skirt. And yeah, it's really pretty and perfect for like village type looks. I don't know, you know what I mean. Then we have the Royal Rebel skirt, and I love this skirt so much. This is my favorite skirt ever, and I love how it's like short from the the front and long from the back. I don't think there's any other skirt in Royal High that does it's like that, you know what I mean. And you can also remove the bustle. I'm not sure said. Okay, now it's time for the heels. Okay, oopsie, I forgot to put the skirt on. Okay, so yeah, now it's time for the heels, and as I said, I'm going categorically. I already said okay. Okay, so right now you guys can see the first time wearing are the glittering jelly platforms. In case you guys didn't know, these are like my favorite heels, and my first heels. You can also like change them to mix match and stuff. I don't know how to say it because the celebration sparkler thingy is on the screen. Yeah, okay, remove that. You can also change the colors of it, and yeah, it's really cute and pretty. Then we have this one, the adorable lace-up doll boots, and these are really nice too. I really like the way it looks because, guys, the Batmo heels are like really in demand right now. So these aren't like the Batmo heels, but the size kind of is like, you know what I mean, right? So I really like the way these look, and yeah, they're really nice. The sparkle is knowing me. So I really like these, and I wear them a lot. Then we have the Hugly Snuggly booties, and I'm not gonna wear those because whenever I wear them, I know my leg turns into like a weird shape. So yeah, I don't want that. It's gonna take a long time to find the body. Okay, then we have this one. Okay, so I don't know why. Is it just me or the chicken leg heels? I don't know. They just don't go with me. I hate them. I mean, I don't hate them, but I kind of I just dislike them, you know what I mean? The leg looks so weird, like your foot, I just, oh my god. Then we have these, the Popstar heels. Okay, I don't know why my game is not loading. Okay, then we have these, the Popstar heels, and these look really pretty too. And these used to be like my dream heels. Like I will used to love these so much. You guys have no idea, and you can even like hide the stars and do that. That's cool. And yeah, these were used to be my dream heels, and I still love them a lot because these are just so pretty and so nice. Okay, then we have my favorite, personal favorite. The Shadow Empresses. Oh my god, I love these so much. These are so pretty. And you guys know, I'm not the soft type of person. I mean, I kind of am, but I love these more than anything. I love the net thingy. I don't know what to call it. I still don't know the name of these. And I love the heels. Yeah, it's just super cool. And I like the chains and stuff, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I like that. Okay, so yeah, it's amazing. And I still love the glittering jelly platforms as well because these are like my first heels, so yeah, you know what I mean, right? Okay, then we have this category. Okay, so for the hats and these type of accessories, I'm going to go with categories, and the first category you guys can see is halos, and you guys might be highly disappointed because the only halo I have is the angel halo because I'm just too broke to afford a real halo. Okay, fine, that's the truth. I'm just too broke. Yes, so I'm turning this into a nice color. Okay, I think I like the way when it glows more, it just like it's prettier, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, I've been thinking of saving for like a real halo. I mean, this is a real halo as I said before, but the thing with this halo is not as rare as any other halo, and I want those halos that are kind of rare, like, you know what I mean? And this looks really nice, and yeah, it's really nice. I just love the way it looks. It looks really nice when it's glowing. Okay, so now it's time for the hats and in here type of things. Okay, so the first item that I have is the trip to the market hat, and I don't really like it that much. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, then we have the 2021 party hat. I haven't really wore this even once, but yeah, that's fine. I do like the way it looks, and it's really pretty and perfect for New Year. Then we have this one, the captain hat. I don't know what you call it. The sailor hat. I'm not sure. I don't like it. I haven't even worn this once. Then we have the spring horns. These are really nice too. It's nice for string and stuff like that. It's just okay. I like the flowery type of thing. Then we have the new veil, and yeah, this is of course like super pretty. And because I feel like it goes best for the set, you know what I mean. Then we have the spring hair flowers, and I haven't even worn these once. I don't know why, but I haven't. And that's kind of weird. So yeah, I really like these. Okay, then we have this. Okay, give me a second, guys. Everything is not looking by the spring crown, and I really like the way this looks. But you just have to find the right hair to go with it because sometimes it's glitching with the hair, like that. The hair kind of just isn't good for the crown. I don't know how to explain, like the crown would go with this hair because it has a lot of space between the head. You know what I mean? Then we have the vampire crown thingy. I still don't know how to say it, but yeah, it's fine. I haven't worn this once, but yeah, I hope I find a day where I wear it. Then we have the Darling Valentina playful puppy ears, and these are really cute. Then we have the personal snow flurry. I don't know what this is. I feel like this is like a trail that follows you around because yeah, it's kind of like a trail. You know what I mean? Yeah, look, can you guys see when I move, it's gonna follow me like. Yeah. Then we have the bow head from the wheel, and this is very cute too. And like it just doesn't go with most hairstyle, and that's pretty annoying. Then we have the polar bear beret, and this is also really pretty. I don't know why it's not loading. But yeah, okay. And let me just do that. Okay, this is also really pretty, and I really like it. It's just super adorable. And this is like one of my first accessories, so I will just wear it when I literally had nothing, and I still wear it like that. We have the spider fan, and we have the spring cleaning headband, and this headband is just like it even glows, so that's really cool. Then we have the midnight pop star astral hair bow, and this is also really nice. I feel like most of the pop star items don't really go without unless you're wearing the whole set except the heels, because the heels pretty much goes with everything. Then we have the fuzzy warm frost hat. Yeah, it's cool. It's a kind of like for winter looks, so yeah, I don't really wear it as much, but if it's gonna be winter, I'm pretty much gonna wear it 24/7. We have this one, the beanie, and oh my god, this is so cute. I wear it all the time, and yeah, it's amazing. Then we have the tea party bow, and this is like really, really big looking, you know what I mean? It's like really big. Then we have the spring bucket hat, the Beverly Hills sunglasses, the baseball cap, and some, like wheel items, the crown royalty, and the flower crown and stuff. Okay, I don't know how to remove this beanie. I want to move it. Okay, why is it not moving? Let me try real quick. Okay, forget that. Okay, so these are like for the hair item, and now I'm gonna show you guys the face ones. I don't know why my screen is glitching. Yeah, okay. Let's start for the face. Okay, for the face, I have these. These are called the fashionista glasses. Some real items: the chocolate lucky coin, the ashes bubble gum, cool shades, the breathe me mask, the stress scarf, and these. The translucent hard glasses, like one of my personal favorites because these are so cute. I love them so much. So I did that. Then we have the earrings. And surprisingly, I do have a few, items in the earring category. Okay, we have the color changing headphone. Oh, why does this glitch with hair so much? I mean, these look really, really cool. And okay, give me a second. And yeah, I really like the way they look. Also, guys, I collected all the tokens for the Bad Kitty headphones, and I finally got them like yesterday or the day before. Yeah, probably the day before. And I don't know, I don't get it why people are overpaying so much. It literally took me 10 to 15 minutes for these, so yeah, don't overpay for this. I would recommend you to get them. So yeah, I love these. They're so cute. Goes perfect with gamer outfits. Like, then we have the fuzzy ear muffs. I never really wear them because, as I said before, it's not like winter time. Then we have the mermaid earrings, dangly rainbow earrings, the sweet cherry ones. Then we have the spider ones. They're really cool looking. We have these, the sweetheart heart earrings. I pretty much wear these all the time because I feel like these look really cool. But let me show you guys how the spider ones look. Okay, let me zoom in. These are okay. I mean, the spider has like a lot of detailings. You guys can see that. Yeah, it's really cool looking. Perfect for Halloween type of stuff, you know what I mean. And then we have the mystical ears. I don't know why I haven't really wore them even once because I don't know. I just never wear them. I'm always wearing my normal human ears because that's how I like. We have the stud earrings and the dreamy earrings. For the neck and the shoulders, we have the ruffly sleeves and actually give me a second really quickly. Let me remove my sleeves so I can show you guys how the other ones look. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we have the ruffly sleeves and I really want these from the wheel and yeah, these are pretty cool looking. Okay, they're fine. Then we have the jewelry necklace, yeah, pretty obvious. We have the over the rainbow sleeves and yeah, give me a second. Let me remove my teddy bear also. And I really like the way these look. And in case you guys didn't know, these have gotten reworked like 3 times, and this is the third one. And I really like the way they look. So yeah, that's amazing. Then we have the fur collar thingy. Yeah, that's cool too. I don't wear it as much. I wear these unless I'm pressed for rainbows. You know what I mean? Why do we keep pressing them? I don't know why. Then we have the Princess Poofy sleeves. I won these off to peel. And these are, oh my god, these are so big. We have the love brochet, I don't know what to call it. And we have the flower thingy, the crown. And there's also like a hack I saw, yeah, I'll show it to you guys later. Okay, then we have the corsets. I have the princess cozy corset. Let me show it to you guys. We have the princess cozy corset. I feel like this looks really nice. It's really pretty. So yeah, that's amazing. It goes with like a bunch of things. When like you change the color of it, it's not as like, what do you call it, snow themed anymore. Like, you know what I mean? It doesn't really go like that anymore. You know what I mean, right? So I really like the way that looks. And then we have this one. Oh no, the corsets are glitching again. Then we have this one, the summer fantasy one, and I love these so much. The summer fantasy one, I pretty much wear it in every single one of my outfit, and it's so pretty. I love like the ombre type of signs. Yeah, I'm wearing it pretty much every day. Then we have the lucky bow pin, and I have never even worn this once. Okay, I have never worn this once. Then we have the Mary sparkly dress, and this one looks good. Oh no, it's glitching again. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so that we have the Mary Sparkly dress. Let me show you guys how it looks like. And so I don't know why people said the Mary Sparkly dress is a corset. It's not a corset, it's a dress because it specifically says that it's a dress. Yeah, it's cool. I don't wear it as much unless it's for like pageants, you know what I mean. I'm only wearing at the time of pageants because I don't know. If it's like something snow themed and stuff like that. Yeah, then I'm wearing it. Okay, so now I'll show you guys what I have of more. Then we have the warm glittering cloak. I also never wore this unless pageants or it's winter because I just realized that I do have a lot of winter accessories and they don't go with as much outfits if it's summer, you know what I mean. Then we have the bunny bag and this is so cute. I wear it a lot. It glitches with the skirt, so that's the problem. Then we have the rat. Okay, let's not talk about that. Then we have my present box, and this one also pretty nice. I like it. It's really cute. It's like a cute accessory, and I like the way that looks. Oh no, what's happening? Yeah, so I really like the way that looks. So that's cool. Okay, let me put my corset on again. You guys can see that right now I'm wearing the Miss Lady Rose corset, and it's super simple and pretty much goes with everything. So yeah, that's amazing. Then we have the jacket, the crispy jacket. Okay. And this is also really nice. I wear this a lot in pageants. Like, I'm pretty much wearing the jacket only in pageant. I don't know why I like it a lot. Then we have the candy explosion, and yeah, okay. I only have worn this once or twice. I don't know why, but I just didn't wear it. Then we have the arms. Okay, we have the Canadian flag and the American flag, and we have the Nom Nom donut fruities. And is it a smell? These look super cute. While they're paired with the baby doll sleeves. It's super cute. I love these so much. Perfect for summer. We have the kitchen accident. I like to stab people. So yeah, I love stabbing people. So yeah, this is for that. And I like how you can make the blood purple. Like you can actually change the color of it. And yeah, that's kind of weird. Purple blood. Haha. Okay. What else do I have? Give me a second, guys. Then we have. Where's the knife? I want to remove it because I don't want to keep stabbing people. You know what I mean. Then we have the cherry blossom sleeves. Okay, why are these glitching again? Oh my god. You didn't have the cherry blossom sleeves? Oh my god, why is everything glitching? I just don't get it. I don't know why, but Israel had glitched today. Like, did it get hacked or something again? I don't know what's happening. And I really like the sleeves. These go with pretty much everything. Like, yeah, they do go with everything. But they tend to glitch a lot with like longer skirts. I don't know how to explain it. Or like if you have like really poofy hair, these are gonna glitch a lot. Then we have the neon saber. I don't know why, but this reminds me of Star Wars. This looks really nice and wonder of the wheel, and I was like, oh my god, finally. Then we have the cute bunnies thingy, yeah, from Easter, and yeah, those are really nice. Then we have the treasure box thingy that you wear as a bag. So this looks really nice too. Okay. And we have my favorite sleeves ever. I mean, I like the baby doll too. I can't really choose, you know what I mean. These are so hard to take, like the wheel accessory hauls. I don't know why. We have the new summer fantasy sleeves. We have the enchanting heirloom sleeves. We have the strawberry picking basket, the long elegant gloves, the my teddy bear. You guys know how much I love it. And we have the winter snow globe, the fuzzy bracelets, and my dolly. I don't know why. Is it just me or is this super creepy? Why is there's a person standing behind me? Please go away. Okay, yeah, so then we have this, and I forgot to show you guys my favorite part, which is the parasol. You guys know how much I love this parasol. I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing, and yeah. By the way, guys, I got offered 100k for this parasol today, so I feel like that's kind of like a crazy amount for a parasol. Yeah. I felt bad, so I declined because I don't want to scam people. I was like, no, you were too over. Okay, then we have the back capes item. We have the Dear Dolly back bow, and yeah, this looks really nice. We have the warm glittering cloak again. We have the two of these giant teddy bears. I love these so much too. They're cute. And then we have the fluffy bunny tail with bow. We have the traditional back bow and the wind up toy. So These are really nice items if you ask me. I really like the bear because I feel like it's super cute and adorable, so I really like it because of that. Okay guys, so this was my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like